Worldwide, women are half of the population. In Jordan, women are also half of the population. Over 50% of university graduates are women. But 63% of women university graduates are unemployed, and only 14% of the Jordanian workforce are women. In the public sector, women comprise 50%, but only 10% assume leadership positions. Today, we have an opportunity to unlock the potential by including women as equal participants in Jordan's economy and empowering them to become the agents of change. Over the past 5 years, USAID funded Fiscal Reform II Project trained more than 1,700 women representing over 30 government agencies, empowered with new tools in fiscal reform. The impact in their own words. The training helped me improve my skills and gain confidence. I have benefited hugely from the training, and I'm proud to also be training my colleagues now. It is rewarding on both the professional and personal levels.
We felt we earned the respect of our male colleagues. We were not treated as women colleagues, but simply as colleagues. I have enjoyed applying economic theory to the Jordanian context. It has honed my analytical skills and gave me more confidence to compete in the market as a woman economist.
Women represent 6% of the Jordan customs. Most of us assume administrative roles. I am a senior programmer. Working with experts from Fiscal Reform II Project helps change mindsets. It sets the stage for other women to move up and become leaders. I am also transferring my knowledge to young Jordanians by volunteering with Injaz, a non-profit organization that empowers youth with work-needed skills. Giving back to my local community is rewarding. That's the point of women empowerment.
We are role models for our children and staff. The hope is that as they move up, they too will pass on the torch. It is a chain reaction. With the new skills we now have, we can better communicate our message and spread it across our respective departments and beyond. It is simple. We are the change we want to see across the government. That's how institutional development unfolds.
We are the change we want to see.